Hurry.
That blinds you. That doesn't make you sneeze. Do it.
Ah, it's like burning my nose. That pepper doesn't make you sneeze. That's a myth.
Close the one nostril. You just snorted pepper, son. Grind it. God, I'm gonna sneeze in a second. Grind it, son.
It might start bleeding.
Oh.
Is there pepper in there?
Oh, it's ugly.
It's pepper.
Oh.
Are your eyes watering?
It's burning so effing bad.
Ow! My food, like, you know. Big hand, though.
That was a really bad idea.
Oh! Oh! My eye's burning. I got pepper in my eye.
Dude, I'm gonna snort the water and make it come out my mouth.
Alright, dog, do it.
You guys look so dumb.
Holy crap!
I'm trying.
Get this going. Jesus.